Hi guys, I'm here with a super simple yarn backdrop tutorial. This is so easy to make. First, you need to find some yarn. I was able to find this ombre yarn by Yarn Bee that worked really well. I needed a stick from the backyard, some scissors, and a measuring tape. Hold up your stick against the wall and figure out how long you want your yarn to drop. I figured mine was about 44 inches long. Now it's time to cut your yarn. I cut mine into 88-inch long strips and folded them in the middle when I hung them so that they would hang about 44 inches long. Now take one piece of yarn at a time, fold it in the middle, and create a slip knot to attach it to the stick. I tried to keep the width of the colors different so that it didn't look too uniform. You can use braiding cord to create a way to hang your backdrop. Tie a knot on one end of your stick. Measure and snip and tie a knot on the other end of your stick. Now that your backdrop is pretty much finished, you can take your scissors and create a straight line on the bottom or a pattern like I did. Because my stick is not straight on the top, my ends ended up being all different lengths, so I just kind of went with the way it was and created an upside down V. Please subscribe to my channel for other great DIY ideas.